My family and I were having dinner in Williams, Arizona, when I heard a train horn. I was lucky enough to catch the Grand Canyon Railway coming back from the Grand Canyon at about 6 p.m. This is something that I wasn't ready for, and I was quite excited to be able to catch this. It only leaves in the morning and comes back in the evening, so I was quite lucky. This is something I'd like to model in my railway at one point. I'll probably have to paint them myself. Like always, it makes sense if you don't think about it, especially in this video.